I have a question. I actually heard someone else make this question to Rabbi Reuben before. I don't remember the answer. I cannot take credit for this question. But it's about Parashah Noach. When Ham saw Noah's nakedness, and he sobered up, he actually cursed Canaan instead of cursing Ham. Why is that?
Okay, because Hashem already when they went out of the ark, so Noach was afraid to be with his wife because he said, "Well, like the world is going to corrupt again, and all my next children are going to be killed." Right? So and Hashem made this covenant with Noach and their sons. So he said that, look, you're blessed, I'm blessing you. So repopulate the world, and I'm not going to bring the flood, right? So he saw he showed them the rainbow, and since the Hashem already blessed Noach and his sons, right? So Noach could not curse his son. You understand? Whatever Hashem blessed, Hashem could not curse. Whoever Hashem blessed, Noach could not curse. So that's why. But the blessing was only on his sons, not on his grandsons. Right? And similar explanation, just to draw the parallel. During the 6 days of creation, so Hashem blessed all of the fish, right? And that's because one of the simple explanation is why? Because people like harvest a lot of fish, like they need to multiply quickly, and but Hashem did not bless the animals in the same rate. So you see that the many animals give birth maybe to one, maybe tops to two animals, right? Why? Sometimes more, but some species. But why? Because but Hashem did not bless them like the same with fish. So fish has I don't know like how many hundreds of the eggs, right? When try to reproduce, but animals do not. Why? Because Hashem did not want to include the serpent, Nachash, in the blessing. That's how our rabbis explain. So he did not bless. It's very interesting. Right, fish unlimited, and animals very, very limited. And according to some opinions, it was actually like Canaan who castrated Noach and had. Some say they had relations with him and then castrated. All of these people, craziness.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.